In this video, we will see how to jump in cell in Excel sheet anywhere. Okay, let's start. When you select the cell, you see here, this is a name box. The name box show the address of this selected cell. Okay, when I selected this cell, you can see here G6 is the address of selected cell. Okay, if you want to go any cells, you can enter here. I want to go A1 200 number cell. Just enter. You see here the cell is selected A1 200. If I want to go U4, just enter. You can see here the U4. This is a cell jump in Excel. You can anywhere you can jump in one click. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.